I wanted to do a video of a ride up to Palomar Mountain. To get to Palomar Mountain, you take East 76, and then there's a fork in the road. I think it's called Scenic Route 6. That's a pretty windy road up to the top of Palomar Mountain. I sped this clip up pretty significantly. I figured I'd lose too many viewers if I left it at normal speed. A lot of the mountain roads have signs saying slower traffic use turnouts. Even though this guy wasn't going too slow, I guess he decided I wanted to hit the turns a little faster than he did. Towards the top of Palomar Mountain, there's a general store. Cool little place to take a little break. A lot of bikers end up hanging out there for a little bit and getting a beverage before they head back down. There's actually quite a few ways to get up and down Palomar Mountain. I like going up the 6, but I like coming back down South Grade, or actually it's East Grade 7. It's not quite as technical, a little more flowy, a little more relaxed. Going down East Grade, there's a memorial for fireman Gregory Pacheco. A member of a local Indian tribe and a fireman who lost his life battling the La Jolla fire in 1999. base of the 7 is Lake Henshaw. It's a bass fishing lake, I believe. Pretty mellow little place. I just take a right there on the 76 heading back west, and we head back home at that point.
Straight from temptation and turn the other cheek. We can all join together, but wait, it's only a dream. I wonder where we're headed. None of this can ever be undone. I hope we overcome all the evil and hatred we've passed on. So come on, brothers, sisters, stop killing in the streets. We are more like each other than anything you see. Won't you straight